What's up everyone? Today I'm going to be insulating these walls. Thought it would be cool to show you the basics of the process. Works the same for climate control or soundproofing. I'm also going to go over the basic tools and materials that you will need. Let's get started. For your tools, you will need a straight edge for all your cuts. You also want to have a knife with a couple extra blades. Hammer just in case. I also like to staple the insulation, that way it doesn't move. You will need a long sleeve shirt and some gloves since we're working with fiberglass. Let's get started. Alright guys, so if you made it to the end of the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next one.